Beautiful straight Chevrolet. Oh, 34, 35 maybe, that's my guess. I think it might have been a 2-ton rather than a 1.5 tons. Hanson Brothers. I wonder who they were. Again, amazingly straight machine. You know, you got a little dimple there, and you get a broken bar down there, and cracks been welded here, but you know, look at those fenders. Stress crack in it right there. No real rust. Gauges are bright. Glass is still in them. So we put a lot of work in that flatbed. Very cool truck. Just call Dale Stere. His contact info is in the video description.